Hello guys, good morning. Charis. Okay guys, good morning everyone. Nagtikagwa pa na jud ko yun. In fairness ha. Bitaw oy. Dahil bugnaw. Kani mawa na ni siya. Okay, pimple sa liyo. Charis. Hoy! Good morning sa tanan. So, okay guys, for this video, I just want to share sa little but story. Himingaw ko sila ha. Pero, I think this di ba gimingaw ko sila eh. Siguro healing process ni siguro ni. Bye, my dear. Wala, ganahan lang ko mag-video. Ganahan ko. Ikat ko kayo, oy. Juline, be? Che? Oy! Uy! Kaigat ba? So, okay guys, maorat to. Bye-bye. I just want to upload this one on my YouTube channel. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Please. Love that.